Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. So today we will be learning simple way of making moringa tea rinse for massive hair growth. Welcome. So first, here are some of the uses of the moringa on your hair. So one, it strengthens hair. It gives you vitamin A, C and E, and also zinc. Then next, it also promotes hair growth in terms of improving your blood circulation to the scalp, and it is also rich in biotin and iron. Then the last item is also it reduces dandruff and itchy scalp because it has anti-inflammatory to help soothe the skin. Again, just to add, the last item is also it adds shine and it softens your hairs because it acts as a natural conditioner. So we begin by adding moringa, two tablespoons of moringa powder in a glass. And then we heat our water. You can use any type of heating that you want to. So we heat our water until it boils. So once your hot water has boiled, you add into your moringa, and then you wait for it to cool. So first of all, you're just adding that hot water as it is. Then also we'll be doing some mixing on this hot water. Just make sure that you've fully mixed it because you would have left some particles on top. So you mix it, and then you leave for a few minutes until it cools down. So by this time our water has already cooled down. So basically what you're going to do next is to sieve this. Remember, moringa tea can also be drunk just as it is right now, or rather when it is hot you can just take that, you can add some honey. Sometimes even for my own hair I just add honey. So in this case what we do is just to sieve, you sieve all the moringa, and then you will be left with just the powder, the powder leaves that were on top. So make sure you're getting every single drop of that moringa. It's very good. So that is why you can see I even used a spoon just to get every single drop of this moringa. It has quite a number of benefits, like I mentioned as the start of this video. So remember again, we really don't need to throw away the moringa particles, the powder particles. We can use that also for our face. Why? Because it also has benefits. Sorry. On the face, like for instance, it supports in fighting the acne, and it also blemishes your skin because we said it has anti-inflammatory properties, so they support in reducing the acne breakouts, and also it also reduces the clogged pores and reduces the excess oil. So I actually used this on my face. And then number two is also it also supports in brightening your skin tone because it has vitamin C that helps reduce the dark spots and also the dullness. Again, it also supports in terms of the rich oxidants that it has. So it slows down you getting the wrinkles because it has vitamin C, and also it has vitamin A, which really supports in the skin. And the last item is also it detoxifies and purifies. So it supports you in terms of the removing of the toxins of your face, because it is actually acting as a natural detox. So really you can use this on your skin. And as you can see, I didn't throw it away, and look at how bright my skin looks like. So it's good for your face as well. Okay, so lastly, back to our moringa. So what you just do is just put it in an applica bottle. I don't know how you guys call it in your country, but usually it's more of a spray bottle that you put all that goodness in, so that now you can easily spray that on your hair. So I hope I was able to make you get convinced that you need to use this. It is very, very good for your hair. I have used it the last 1 year in my hair. I have seen some very good growth. Also, you can just use rosemary as well. I'll also be coming up with that video, and honey. Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye. See you.